Sir, I am Shakil Ahmed, and my partner is Abdul Salam Ratul. My register number is 2017 33 10 24, and my partner's register number is 53. So we built an emulator for the Chip8 platform. So Chip8 was a platform in the mid 70s, 90s, and 80s. So there are many games written for this platform, and it's like the JVM, like we write Java, and then it's interpreted and then compiled sometimes to the bytecode, and the bytecode is then run by the Java runtime. So here, like the Chip8 platform, programmers could write program for that Chip8 platform, Chip8 application, and then it would be available, and it would be able to users would be able to play it in many different platforms, many different hardwares. So it is like a virtual machine. So there is a wiki on Chip8, and as it says, it's an integrated programming language. So it's like programming language, but also a platform where there are many games and many programs are written. So it has there is a hardware, there is description of how it's how to access hardware specification architecture. So it has memory of 4 kilobytes, register 16 8-bit registers. It has a stack. It supports up to 16 16 level of recursion or subroutines, and you can call 16 nested subroutines. The stack supports only 16. There is a timer, and input it has 16 keys, 0 to F, and its keyboard is so Chip8 machine has a keyboard like that, like this. So a player can press these keys and to change to play the games. Change movement in the games. Graphics and sound. It has graphics support of 64 into 32 pixels. It has 36 instructions. The program can write program using these instructions. And we thought to bring these games that are written for this platform to Android. So we used NDK and SDL library, graphics library, for writing the graphics part. And the emulator is written in C++17. Also, I followed the object-oriented design pattern. Actually, I did most of the part of this project. I mean, all of the part is done by me. So the application is here visible in my phone. I can run it now. So to present my phone display. So here is this Emu Chip8. This is the application that we built using C++ mainly, and we ported this to Android using SDL. SDL has a support for how you can port your existing C++ applications or games to Android. So that's great. So if we open Chip8, so these are the games like 15,000 Blinky, Blitz, Connect 4, Invaders, Tetris, Tic Tac. So there is Pong. So we can play, like if we click on Pong. So these are keyboard. If I click on, it goes up, and if I click on 4, the left bar is going down. So we can play this game using this, and inside this side, if we click on C, the bar goes up, and if I click D, the bar comes down. So again, we can play another game. If I select Tetris, so if I click 4, it changes shape, and if I click 1, sorry, if I click 5, it comes left side, and if I click 6, it will go right side. So I'm clicking 6, and it's going right side. So the app will be available in the release section of the GitHub repository. You can install and try it out. So so my code is in the section app. Source main contains the Java part, and the JNI part is where I code, where I've written the code. Here in the source folder, so here it is available. This is the Chip8. This is the controller, and this is the platform that is using Chip8 emulation provided by these two files to emulate, to run the game. And main, this is the main select menu where you can select a game, and it's using Android MK. CMake is not being used. CMake is configured, but the HDL image library does not provide the CMake configuration. So setting up the image was facing problems setting up the image library. So I use the Android MK, which is by which I was able to set up the library. I think this is all. And the zip contains the whole Android project. So I think if the Android NDK and SDK is configured properly, loading the Android project will automatically configure all of this, and the app should be able to build, and it will also be able to build and run on another locally, build and run locally. So Here is the source. This is the Java part that that HDL provides. This all is HDL. I did not have to do anything to this folder, anything to this folder Java. I had to change some package names to make this software in Chip8. Other than that, I did not have to change anything like in HDL, this file. I had to change the package name. It was originally one that is provided by the HDL library or HDL. So I had to change that. And JNI, this contains, this is the library, and this is the image library provided by HDL separately. And this is the source. Here I've written the code, Chip8 and all this. Because that's all from me, all from us. Thank you, sir.